Good morning, sir. Thank you for this opportunity. My name is Pramod Khanal. I am 32 years old. I am from Kaurpanchok, Nepal. I am married. I have three family members. My education plus 2 pass. My height is 5.4 and weight 70 kg. I am medically fit and fine. I have 4 years work experience as a garbage dispenser in Dubai Invest Group LLC. Loading, sanitizing, cleaning, empty garbage does mean certainly set my job responsibility. I will came any European country as a garbage disposal. I'll earn I will earn money, support my family, secure my future. I will stay there long time. I'm working any climate and I'm hardworking and honest person. I will follow the company rule and regulation. I'm medically fit and fine. I don't have any medical issue. I will complete my agreement. Thank you for this.